Hello, welcome to Indie Tutorials. My name is Guillermo and I would like to thank the patrons supporting this channel. Okay, so just right before testing, let's revisit the combatant just to check it out. Jumper, close all the settings and let's go to the status settings. Then we have the status value settings and we set the max health to be 600. So let's bump it up to 1000. So we know that if we reduce 25 we will have 750. If we reduce 10% we'll have 900 of health. Okay, so let's save our settings, close it up and click Ctrl P. We still need to fix the hiding the HUD when we start the battle, but let's check it out. So if I click hit him from behind, I will expect to have the great outcome, right? There we go, the message. And now if I click on F8 to have our console log, we see that the health is 750, so the status was applied properly. Click on Ctrl P. Let's Ctrl P again to start once again, and now let's test the 10% penalty. So we need to catch his attention, hit him, and there we go. 10%. F8 to see the logs, and we have 900 as a health. And lastly we need to check the poor logs, so stop the game again, Ctrl P to start it once again. Without drawing the weapon, let's get spotted by him, and then we have the poor and the 5% lightning health penalty. If I bring up the developer log, we see that the health was reduced by 5%. Now we need to test using the easy difficulty, so no penalty will be applied to lightning. Ctrl P to stop the battle and the game. And for that we need to set up or tell ORK to change the difficulty game. We could do it in the event as well, just to debug it, but or start the game from scratch from the main menu and select the easy difficulty. That could be also another way to do it, but I think that we could implement a developer console to help us debug easy and quick all this type of changing the settings. So let's implement that one after we fix the HUD. So to fix the HUD, first of all we need to open up the field HUD scene that we have. So select in your scenes folder, we should have the field HUD. Double click on that one to open up. Okay. Okay, so what we want to do here is just to reuse. We already have this game event listener for previous videos to hide or show the stats panel. So what we can do, let's close this up. We have this game listener, and the only thing we need to do is just click on here on plus to add a new element to the list. It will copy the last one, but what we need to do here is change the name to, let's say, home battle started. Now we need to link the game event, so let's select it on battle started, and in the response what we need to do is to hide the minimap and the time day panel. So click on the time day panel and drag it up to the runtime only objects, and in the function we need to change it to game object, set active to false. So this one we need to create 3 more for this one. We need to do the same for the stats panel. Game object, set active to false, and the minimap. Game object, set active to false. And that's it. So let's save our scene. Let's go back to the staging scene, and if we start the battle right now, we should be able to see that the HUD is being hidden as soon as we start the battle. So click on Ctrl P, and start the battle, and there we go. Ctrl P to stop it. And now let's go and implement this kind of developer console in order to help us debug the game via cheat codes easily.